Hey, you need help getting customers? Check this out. What's up, everybody? Happy Monday. This is D Money from IWillQuitMyJob.com. And here's a quick marketing tip for small business owners that's just getting started and just trying to figure out which way to go and how to get customers for whatever product that they may have. First thing, if you're going to use Facebook, you should use their Facebook ads. Check out my YouTube page. I got Facebook ads that I have a video on. It's an older video, and you can check it out and see how I ran like one of my most profitable ads. But what you want to do is first create the business page separate from your regular page. Create the business page. But on your regular page, go join the groups that whatever your business is related to. So if you're in the food business, go join a bunch of food groups. If you make stuff, join like a bunch of groups of people that's kind of on a DIY niche and do-it-yourself type thing, and people that create their own product. Now, what that is, when you join the group, get active in the groups. So within the groups, you start commenting, and if you have a answer to a question somebody may have in the group, answer. Okay, now that you have answered some of their questions within the group, then you invite them to your page. Most of the time out of these groups, it's about 50-50 chance. You might convert 5 or 10 of them to go check out your page and just tell them that, hey, go like my page. I do this type of work, whatever field it may be. And once they like the page, or you commented on something within the group, you can friend them, and usually they'll friend you back. Once you friend them, then you can invite them to your page. And once you invite them to the page, now you can sell to people who's actually related within your niche, or have somebody that's looking to buy a similar product that you may be selling. So that's how you get the target customers that's directly related to something that you're selling, and you're not selling to people who may not be necessarily interested in what you have to sell. You have to find out who those direct customers is, because everybody on your timeline that's on your regular page may not like that you sell sticks on the side of the road, just to be funny. But everybody is not interested in what you're selling, so you have to find out who is interested and sell to them. So that's my Facebook marketing tip of the day. Remember, join my page on IWillQuitMyJob.com. That's my website. And just like this page, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you're thinking. If you have any questions, I'll talk with y'all later. Remember, IWillQuitMyJob.com.